Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video, we're in the baby's nursery. If you didn't see my last video, I kind of showed you guys the whole process and just like transforming, putting everything together. The nursery tour is coming up, but this video was important because I need to organize everything. So it's going to be all about like baby organization or just organization in general. So I got everything off of Amazon. I have a ton of these little bins. I wanted to go to IKEA, but you guys know IKEA's closed, so I couldn't get like those bins, but I need to organize. Like there's so much baby clothes right here that I need to organize. I also got more little like baskets and bins. These I think I'm gonna put like diapers, shower stuff. We'll see. I also have like a little diaper caddy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do all of the organization, just kind of a fun cleaning. Oh, I also need to wash all of her clothes. So yeah, if you guys end up enjoying it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let's start. I'm too comfy sitting here, so I'm gonna show you guys. Look at all of this clothes up here. Hey you, can you help me bring all this? Grab those. All the clothes. I need to go through it and organize according to size. Everything? Yeah, everything. Holy moly, there is so much stuff.
You weren't messing around.
I need to separate by size. 0 to 3, we'll put here. Newborn! It's so cute, you guys. Look how cute some of this stuff is. Oh. Okay, 0 to 3 actually, we'll go here. Newborn right next to me. Oh my gosh. These little rompers with the little bonnet. I die at this. This is so cute. Okay.
It's gonna take her hours
to do all that. I know.
Because you're gonna stop at every.
I'm not gonna stop at every single thing. Okay, 3 to 6. We'll put it there.
Oh my child, I know.
Little jeans, little boyfriend jeans. We don't have a lot of newborn stuff, not yet at least. Uh-oh. See, that's why I've been needing to do this too, because I need to see what size we have and what sizes we need.
You're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
A cute little swimsuit.
I know.
Oh my gosh, that 3 to 6 month pile is insane.
It's
like way big.
You've done your part. It's not fair. You did your
Oh, she's moving.
She's playing with the clothes.
I think down here. Anytime she moves down here, like by my vagina, it like tickles. It feels so weird. It's like.
Yeah, it's by your private.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this little biker jacket from Zara. This thing's pretty big.
If you've tried to be a good man inside, did everything that you thought you should. Did it seem to do
Here are the piles. I realized this is all 0 to 3. I have a lot of 0 to 3. A ton of 3 to 6, like way too much probably. Then this is 9 to 12. Accessories, bows, stuff for like her head, little sun hats, swaddles. That's all 12 months or like 9 to 12. And then her newborn pile, I'll show you right here. Her newborn pile is literally like 4 things. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna wash newborn. I'm gonna wash 0. I don't know if I should wash the 3 to 6. Oh, and then here's all her little shoes and socks, little kind of accessories like that. And then this is all over a year old, so I'm not gonna wash that yet. This is just gonna be hung up in the closet. So I'm washing all her 0 to 3 and newborn stuff, and then I think all the little head stuff. And then these are swaddles. These are actually like a really good gift idea from Posh Peanut. Look how nicely they come. They came like this. Aren't these so cute? I feel like I'll probably, oh my god, and it feels so nice and stretchy. So I'm definitely gonna wash these too, because we'll probably put that like.
It's gonna be like go time. Let's
That's like,
That's what you get, and that's
Yeah,
the
these are-
one that we're gonna use a lot is swaddles, right?
yeah. These are so nice. Look at this. Okay. I don't know, do we just do like a gentle wash? This is the wash I went with. I did just buy the Honest one, which is coming in the mail.
Well, she washes baby clothes. I drink a beer. Full dad mode. What, babe? Nothing. I'm helping washing your clothes. They're really washing really well right now. They're doing good. Ah!
It's getting real.
First wash.
It's getting real.
It's getting closer.
Oh, show the little bump.
Boom. Getting
Boom,
bigger. And should I tell them?
What?
She found a dress she really likes that she's gonna take pictures
Oh, for
in.
maternity pictures. Yeah, I have my maternity pictures.
So it's getting real. She's waiting until she gets a little bit bigger though.
Yeah, I think like at least another 4 weeks.
But we know a good location.
We got
you
it
found
all.
your dress.
We are set. So while the laundry goes, I'm gonna go ahead and open up all the little bins. There we go. And I did get a few different like shapes inside. Yeah, like this. I got these that have little dividers in them because I want to do like all her hair accessories. Maybe some of them will have shoes. So I got a handful of different ones. Ooh, these are nice. That was easy. Okay, these are gonna be perfect. See, look, this one's perfect for like little shoes. Maybe I should start putting her shoes in here actually. These are like little Doc Martens. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I die for them. Okay, you guys, I got these at Bye Bye Baby, and I have some from Old Navy as well, but these Bye Bye Baby ones are much better quality. I don't think they were as cheap as these ones. Say $10.99. I think I got them like 50% off, so they were like $5. These ones I think were like 10, so not bad, but these feel so much nicer. I mean, obviously she's not gonna walk in them, but they're just so cute.
Seems to do you any good.
They're so perfect. They feel like decent quality too. And then it has a little insert down here at the bottom, so it's like hold its shape. Oh, and these also come in different colors. They have like gray ones. There's like 5 different colors, but I just kind of chose like the tan beige ones. Whoa, I like these zipper ones. These are nice. Whoa, this one has room for a ton of, ooh, I'll do this one for her accessories, bows, and I could see all the different colors she has. I got so many different sizes too, so these are so perfect.
No, you've tried so hard.
Okay, it's the following day. My camera ended up dying, but these 2 bins are basically all the clean clothes. I ended up washing newborn and 0 to 3 months, and then everything else I'm actually going to kind of store away, hang up some of it, but I realized that I shouldn't wash it yet. At least I don't think I should, because it's going to sit in the closet for the next like 6 months and then kind of get gross and icky. So went ahead and washed all of this. So these 2 bins I need to go through. I don't know if I mentioned that all of these bins are basically from 2 different packs. So I will link them down below. They're 2 different ones, the same exact seller, but they come in like different sizes and shapes and stuff. So like, for example, this one has a ton of little organizers inside, and I wanted not a ton of these because I knew that, whew, I'm out of breath from doing all this. I knew that I was just gonna want this for like bows and accessories and stuff, and I don't need it for every single one of her items. So I have all these other bins. I don't know what you guys can see in the video. So there's a ton, and that's from 2 different packs. And then I have the 3rd pack right here, which I'm not opening yet because I don't even know if I need that 3rd pack, to be honest. I feel like this might be enough, but I guess we'll see. Maybe I can use it in the closet as well. Let's go ahead and put all her accessories in here. I love that I can put like one little headpiece in each little section. That way when I go to dress her, it'll be nice and easy to see exactly what's where, what colors and stuff, and see like what matches. I feel like this is going to be so helpful.
I know you've done your part.
And then I think for all her little rompers and stuff that are a little more dressy or even like these little overalls right here, I have these little hangers. And I got them in this kind of like a super light gray color. I got these off of Amazon. They're like my grown-up ones, which I love. They're kind of like that, I don't know what you would call it, kind of felt material, but the clothes doesn't slip off. So I use the adult ones from Costco and I absolutely love them. They're my favorite hangers. So of course I had to get them in the little baby size. And I got these off of Amazon. I will link them down below as well. Oh, the other super cool thing I want to show you guys, I got these little closet dividers from Amazon as well. They're so cool. So when I go to hang up all her stuff, I can put these little dividers in the closet and I can see exactly what sizes are where. So like this one says 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and so forth. And I'm just gonna like stick them on the closet rod. And then I'm able to see like what size is where, which I feel like is genius.
It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight.
I love all these little bubble rompers. They're my absolute favorite. They're so cute.
It'll be alright.
Finished organizing all of this. All the cutesy, more like day stuff to dress her up in is all on these hangers. We got only 2 just like short sleeve, like no legs on them. This is the only newborn stuff I have. So this bin is all newborn, little like onesies and sleepers. So best believe I'm headed to Bye Bye Baby right now to buy more of these because I'm definitely gonna need, I want a few more of them. And then the rest is all 0 to 3. These are just kind of cutesy sleepers. Full body, full leg. These ones just have long sleeves, no legs, so that way I know what I want to dress her in. Oh, and then these are also just socks. This is how I keep like my grown-up socks. It's just in bins. I just throw them all in. I don't feel like I need to have little compartments for it, but the bows and stuff, and since this is something that I probably will be reaching for hopefully every day, because I love all the little bows and stuff. That's what I love about little girls. These ones are all separated. Look how good that looks. Now I can see exactly what colors I have, what I can put on her with whatever outfit she's wearing. Okay, so let me show you an overview of everything in this dresser. This top drawer has all her bows and all her little shoes. I feel like that's pretty like essential. It can go with every outfit every day, basically. Over here, I left this one mostly empty because we still need to get all her diapers, wipes, all that stuff. I put 2 swaddles here, but I feel like I'm going to eventually switch this out. I want to stay realistic, and I know that I'm not going to be folding up her swaddles every time, especially since I'll probably have a lot more. I have these 2 right now. I do have a few other ones, but I need to go through them still and then organize them. So I have this. I'll probably end up putting like more diapers, all her little essentials, like literally just essentials. I have a few other things in all these like Bye Bye Baby bags, but I need to go through all that stuff as well. Maybe even like medicine, her little Frida baby stuff, like all those little things will go in this drawer, and just, yeah, maybe more diapers, stuff like that. Then this one still has space also, but these are all the 0 to 3 onesies that I showed you guys. Onesies continued, socks, because I feel like those are going to be pretty essential also. And then the bottom drawers are like the least essential, basically. There's her little jeans. There's a lot of space for more stuff. And then this one's completely empty too, but there's obviously a ton of room for more things down here. I just put these 2 bins in here. All that being said, I only used 2 of the packs. I still have the entire 3rd pack right here. So if you guys have like a 6 drawer dresser like this, then 2 packs will do. And they are 2 different packs by the same brand, like I mentioned, but you can get 2 of the same if you really want to. I just wanted different kind of little compartments for them. So yeah, that's everything there. Her little changing table, changing pad is right there. A few other things. Then right here, I'm gonna open this up. I got more little like organizational baskets. So I think I'm gonna keep like 2 on top of the dresser where I'll put more diapers, wipes, essentials, things like that, and then other ones I'll store in the closet. Then I also have a little like diaper caddy, so this will be nice for even more diapers, lotions, bath stuff. This way I can just carry it around, take it into our bedroom, because I'm sure she'll be in there for the first few months of her life, and then also like to take to the bathroom when she's getting a bath and stuff. So This I got off of Amazon as well. Holy moly, everything really is off of Amazon. Things are coming along. Now let's move on to these guys. Ooh, so I like that these little baskets have little handles on them so I can carry them around and move them around.
Tried so hard. I know you've done your
Okay, so here's an overview of all this. Like I said, diapers and stuff will go in here. This one I just threw some swaddles in here, but I don't know exactly what's going to go in here. Maybe more diapers or just like little essentials and stuff. So I just wanted to put it out here to see how it all looked together, and I feel like it looks fine. I know, obviously, again, trying to be realistic. Oh, hey, look there. Trying to be realistic, and I know that it's not going to stay perfect up here, so I might even add another basket there. We'll see what I end up like needing, like burp cloths, things like that. So I just kind of wanted to put it all up here. And then over here, I know it's kind of a mess. I still need to do an entire haul of all like the baby registry stuff that I got. So there is a ton of stuff right here. And in this closet, I used to keep, you guys know this used to be like my closet room. So I still have a ton of coats in here. I need to empty all this out. So, okay, I emptied out my clothes. And I have her first little batch organized. So this is the only newborn, kind of like nicer little bubble romper. Then all of her 0 to 3, which is so nice with these little dividers. So this is all 0 to 3 that's hung up. And then 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and so forth. I don't have anything hanging because it all still needs to be washed. I obviously haven't washed it yet, so it's all just kind of stored away in those little baskets down there. Also, at some point in the next few months, I do want to add little storage bins and put them here, just because obviously all her clothes is very small, so I'll actually be able to see everything. And then I can, I'm thinking those like IKEA, I forget what they're called, but you can put little baskets in there, and I could put toys in there. I could put more swaddles, more clothes, whatever it is. Like, there's just a lot of space down here that I don't want to go unused. So I feel like that's going to keep things a lot nicer, a lot more organized. But for now, this is what we got going on. Okay, so that's going to be everything for this nursery organization. Prep with me, all the good baby fun stuff that I'm so excited for. So if you guys ended up enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, links to everything will be down below. So all the Amazon stuff that I got, I will link down below. It'll work in obviously any room. It doesn't just have to be for a nursery. I feel like I need a lot of these things for like our master bedroom. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.